Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Vintaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to change the download locations in Mozilla Firefox web browser. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a Firefox browser, and then dito lang sa top right corner, and then i-click mo lang tong 3-line icon na to. So click lang natin yan. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung settings. And then dito sa left side menu, dito lang sa general, and then dito sa right side, ay kailangan lang natin mag-scroll down at hanapin natin yung files and applications. Okay? And then dito sa files and locations, dito lang sa downloads, and then dito sa right side, pakikita mo dito yung browse para i-click natin dito kung saan natin isi-save o i-change locations yung downloads. Okay, so i-click lang natin itong browse, and then pop up dito, choose download folder. Okay, so dito ay kailangan mo na mag-select kung saan mo isi-save yung download mga kaibigan. So, for example, click lang natin itong desktop, and then select ka lang dito kung saan folder mo siya si-save. So, for example, click lang natin itong new folder, and then dito naman sa baba, click mo lang itong select folder. Ayan, so makikita mo dito mga kaibigan, na dito na masisave yung downloads, all downloads, dito sa ating Firefox browser. Alright, so dito naman sa baba ay makita mo dito yung other option settings. Kung gusto mong always ask where to save files, so check mo lang tong box. And then kung ayaw naman, uncheck mo lang siya ganito. Alright? So, ganun lang po kasimple on how to change download locations in Mozilla Firefox web browser. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.